doing diagnostic stuff, but not all the time. I got spark. Plug was fouled out. I had old gas in there, and I just put brand new gas in there. I'm gonna pull the carb off, check inside, see what's going on. Alright. This thing is just like not focusing. Ooh. Focus. That's pretty dirty. It's inside there too. Don't want to lose that. Pull looks okay. I mean, that's pretty gnarly in there. I'm gonna clean it up. See what I can do. I can't get this dang thing to focus. It's all clean. There's the crap there. Put it back together. Hopefully it's that simple. Okay. Okay, so put this on. Out of focus, of course. Jeez. This is kind of gnarly. I'm going to clean this up first. I guess this is kind of like normal maintenance stuff I don't do. I wonder why it wouldn't run. I definitely am not a small engine guy. I'm always willing to learn. Yeah, here we go. Here's nothing. No beans. It has spark. I don't know if that spark plug's any good, but it does have spark. And well, I was hoping that it would be something simple. Doesn't feel like it's got compression. To pull it, put my finger over the hole. I don't feel nothing. Oh, that's not good. Alright. So I had to break out the pressure transducer. And it looks pretty ugly. Right? Something's going on with that intake. So I take off the rocker cover. And push rod sticking out. Doesn't look bent, but I don't know. I don't know if the valve's bent. I got the push rod back in, and now I actually have compression. I didn't have compression before. It was super low. It was only like 9 psi. I have no idea how this happened. But I'm gonna have to try to clean this up. I hope I have silicone. I don't think I might have to buy some silicone, but that was pretty cool. I actually used the pressure transducer to diagnose and to hopefully fix it. I think the valve was hanging up a little bit. Push rod was wedged under here, and I think it was hanging this valve up a little bit. So I got it back in its place, and yep, weird. I have no idea how that happened. Maybe the old gas was bad, and it maybe it kicked back. I don't know. It ran great last time I ran it. Now I got it back together. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Let's see. Oh yeah, it works. Awesome. Here's my setup. One thing I know I'm not going to be able to do is I was using an impact on the crank, and there was no compression. It wasn't really a smart thing to do. Given the circumstance, it worked out since there was no compression. I don't think I want to try that now. Probably snap the bolt off now that it has compression. But this is the before, and I'm going to hook it up. And I'm only going to be able to get whatever I can get out of a pole. You can see it's only about, it's under 10 psi. It's like 9 psi or something like that. Intake valve is not opening. So you can see how crappy it looks. I'm not even going to do that. I already did this earlier in the video, and I'll put pictures up at the end of the before and afters with the rollers and everything. But for now, I just want to get it hooked up and get a capture. And I need to cut this grass because it's so friggin' messy. And that's where my dog pees and kills the grass. Just go rolling. There's my setup there. And try this here. So much more compression. Let's get this out of my way. Did I go off the chart here? Nope. Alright, so I'm about right in the way. You can see now compression is about 65, right around 65 psi, a little less, and that's with a weak, pretty weak pull. But everything looks a lot better, obviously. I'm just going to put this here for a reference. Right there. It's kind of hard to tell, but it kind of opens where it should. And that looks way better. I'm not sure if that's normal, but this does run. And I'm going to put it back together and cut my grass.